Yo, what's up, TikTok? We back at it again. This time I'm gonna what's up with me, but it's Gusty. This is TikTok YouTuber here.
Bye, fella, no swamper. Bye.
Bro, I think you died, bro. I think you died. Finger painter.
It's fake. It's fake.
We gotta check it out.
Yo, we gotta check out. Oh my God!
What? Wait. What? Yo, bro, it's like looking in a mirror. It's you.
Why can't you get out?
The N-word. No, I heard it.
Oh, alright, bro.
How did I?
I didn't even hear that.
I have special senses.
Where's everybody? Where's everybody? Where's everybody?
I don't know. It's
Where's
me.
Clubhouse?
Like this way, this way.
Where'd you go?
This way, this way, this way.
I'm following you. We have. Okay,
God.
we have to be all. Guys, we're Logan Paul.
Yeah, retard.
No, we just knew that reference.
Hey, no,
Not
somebody just
Logan
said that.
Paul. What's that one old Logan Paul song with that little chubby kid?
Why are you guys? Hey, why are you guys? Adios, Diddy, Diddy.
My good.
I just got murdered.
Past it. Is that real?
Oh my fucking god!
Say what
He's in here.
What do we do now? Please. I heard Steamboat.
Don't make it! Daddy-o, please!
Something about me getting snatched up, bro.
Yes! Daddy, I see you! Daddy, back to me! Daddy, everybody go to Clubhouse! Go to Clubhouse! Go to Clubhouse!
How do you keep running so fast?
My arms hurt so much.
Everybody go to Clubhouse! Go to Clubhouse!
There's a monster chasing me.
Oh, they're all coming. We gotta go. They're all coming.
Guys!
What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that?
Stop.
Ew, why you sound like that?
Very no loud.
This guy is so depressing.
Killed! He got killed!
Why'd you kill him? Oh wait, he's an unsubscriber. He's an unsubscriber, that's why.
He didn't subscribe. That's what should happen if you don't subscribe.
Yeah, he's an unsubscriber. Kill him.
Hold on. What's in here?
Don't worry. I yeah, monster.
We got Pluto. We got Mickey Mouse with water.
No, he's still. Oh, you died. Now, as I was saying, the monsters are killing all the unsubscribers.
Let's back in 3, 2, 1. Transformation. Yeah.
We gotta do this one right here. LeBron.
LeBron James. Hey, bro. Wait, what's that badge called again? I forgot.
I don't know. It's like the potato thing.
Hey, you wanna go in? You wanna go in? You wanna go in?
Sure.
Let's go, let's go, boys.
Oh no. Yo,
Oh,
it's fine.
I think one
guys,
of us
I kind of
killed
ripped
it.
its head off.
Probably not the only one with a gun
Guys,
here.
be quiet!
So I couldn't.
It's coming from over there.
All right, guys, map change because this
Then how about you lead him back then if you can hear what he.
Guys, map change. This one
Okay,
doesn't
how am I
work.
supposed to know if.
It's like buy Slendy Tubbies.
Alright, chat. A description.
do we hit unload and load?
Navigates
Do we
through a
hit
dark,
load and
quiet
load?
underground tunnel. Don't get lost. Created by Bits Sir.
Yeah.
What the hell's that name?
So do we unload and load or
No, just
like
press
how do we
load.
do?
I mean, it
Okay.
says look.
Oh gosh.
Hit load.
Alright, let's
Oh
go.
wait, I fit this one.
Mm-mm.
Ah, heck nah. Oh,
Follow me, I know where the
What's
monster
in
is.
here?
I know where the monster is. The monster
Good luck
screams
dying.
loudly.
This is the map.
Ow! I just hit my phone.
I'm ready to hear that
Guys, I
scream.
think he's
Should I be
this
generous
way.
of the
I mean,
noise as a scream?
There's 2 of them, by the way.
Or a farming.
This is so not safe.
Yo, if I see him, I'm running so fast.
I think I should have showed you, but I can't. Because
Yeah,
I said
but
I
what?
can't. I can only share it to myself. I can't share it to anybody else.
So No, trust me. You're gonna hear him before you see him. That's always the case. Especially for the red one.
What? Wait, what? Red one?
Oh, he's not even here. Hey, what's poppin'? Hey, where he at? Oh, he not even showing up. Hey, he's scared.
Bro, I feel this shit about to come, or I feel this poop about to come out. And by the way, don't even try
I
to
gotta
grab the
bleep
walls,
that,
because
bro.
dude's tall as the ceiling. You have to be quick to put it in reverse, by the way. I'm trying to leave it at that. No! I know! This is where I normally see him. Nope, this is no. You know what? Let's
Stop.
not be pussies. Let's not be pussies. And let's get over there. Shit, turn the light off! Ah!
No, I'm pretty sure the red light would
Oh,
pop on.
And no,
Matza,
it can turn your
you're
lights off. It can
scared.
turn your
You're
light
the
off.
monster. You're scared.
It can turn your light off.
Wait, what?
It has a rare. It has like a 6% chance.
Why are you
of turning
hiding?
your
You
light
don't
off.
need to hide.
Bro, I would be hiding if I was him, honestly.
Oh, you would be fine. See, look, the monsters, it's all fairy tale. It's not real.
No, I hate
See,
those corners. Nope, don't go that way.
Steve-O,
Don't
if
go
we
that way. I
just
hate
go-
those corners.
If we just go down here, he's not. No, he's
No,
not
watch him
even
just go.
there.
Go ahead, go forward.
No, literally that. We're good. This way.
Really?
Which not? I don't know about this.
You should be scared.
One of them, I remember one.
Bro,
I hear something right there. You went.
Dude,
Yeah.
I think we
It
can
only
just-
talks to you. It only
Oh, I already know where it is.
outlining it. That's why I
Oh,
like this.
I'm not going over.
is that him?
Oh shit!
Go! 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 Where did you go? Stop! Close me, stop! Stop!
Yo, fucking left me and I died.
We have to.
Go see.
Wait, where am I? Why is it just a dark room?
I don't know.
Ah, what is that?
He died again.
Oh yeah, I'm dying. Somebody else join. Somebody else join. Somebody else
iPhone,
join.
go see it.
Somebody else join.
Open the freaking door!
Open the door!
Nah, y'all want me to die. I won't leave y'all to die.
My viewer proceeded to die, and that's the end of the video. Goodbye.